In this video, we are going to be drawing an ascribed circle to a given triangle, ABC. So the measurements are given. BC is 70 millimeters, AC 55 millimeters, and AB 45 millimeters. So first thing, let's construct our triangle. So we're going to draw the first line, or the first side, 70 millimeters. That's BC. Let's label it. Now we are going to draw the other side, AC. So using the arc tool, center start end, CR center. We're going to scribe the first arc, 55 millimeters. Now, using BR center, we're going to scribe the arc for the other side, AB, 45 millimeters. Where these two arcs intersect, that is our A. So now we can go ahead and connect all points. So this is our triangle ABC. Now we are going to extend lines BC to D and AC to E. Lentil. Text. Now we can go onto the object line layer and highlight or darken our triangle. Right, this point is off. Right. Next step, we are going to bisect angles TAB and EBA. So go back onto the construction line layer using the arc tool, center start end, and A as center. We're going to scribe the first arc, 25. From this point, we're going to scribe 25 millimeters. And from this point, we're going to scribe 25 millimeters. Connect. Draw a bisector. Let's lengthen it a bit. Now we're going to bisect the other angle. $25 millimeters. Let's extend. Now where the two bisectors intersect, we're going to label this point O, and that will be the center of our circle. So what we have to do is turn off these, and we go back onto the object line layer, and using the circle tool, center radius, using O as center, and we are looking for this tangent symbol, and we press enter, and that is it. Our inscribed circle to a given triangle A, B, C.